Hello, and this week's video blog, I'm going to go over the concept of the heart-shaped loom again. I had a lot of people asking to see how you would use it and just want to see finished products. Some good news though, it does look like this mold is getting redone, which is awesome. So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this. I'm just going to give you guys some ideas of what you're going to be able to do. Like I did in the last one, I showed the hat and stuff. Now with this one, I was barely able to get like a true heart shape. But I wove two hearts, crocheted them together, and filled them with just stuffing. So you could do cute little pillows. And this was the best heart shape I was able to get out of this loom. But they're changing it. The pegs are going to be closer together, and this V is coming down farther so that you're going to get that heart shape that everybody is wanting. And I'm so glad that they are doing that. But a quick view of how you would use something like this, which another video you can watch is, I forgot her name again. I'll post a link to the video. The Martha Stewart loom. A woman came up with a wonderful way to use it to weave hearts with as well. So I really suggest checking out her video too, just for more ideas. What we do is, I think they're going to do away with the anchor peg up here. I don't think they're going to put it at the bottom just because of how easy it'd be to break off. I think they're just going to do away with it, which for me, I think that's perfectly fine. I typically don't use an anchor peg very much anyway. Alright. So you would just hook the yarn, and then all you do is weave back and forth. Oops. Gotta get me some yarn stretched out back here. Okay, so all you would do is just weave back and forth. Now I've noticed for this one, these two pegs right here, I skip. Because if not, it makes it a little bit odd. I don't know if I got some string stuck in that. And I don't go all the way, and then these two right here I skip. So at that point I would cut that, tie another string down here, and then when you weave, you use a weaving tool. And all you do is just go in and out like that through all of them. And then, let's say I cut that and pulled it through. I don't want to cut it because I'll use this yarn later. That's all you do. Do a couple just to show you. And of course, once I get a better model of this, the one that they'll end up using to sell in stores, I will do a very in-depth complete video. I'll have actually multiple videos on it with different patterns that you can do, because I've got all kinds of ideas running through my head, so I'm not sure what they will use for the packaging itself. But either way, you will be able to get a bunch of different patterns off of my YouTube page, and I will probably do like the PDF downloads and everything to go with all of them. So there'll be a lot of different options that you can use. But see, that's all you do. This is actually, see, this is why I wanted them to place the pegs better, closer together, because this is a size, it's like a super bulky, so they call it like a size 6. And see where I did the pillow? You could kind of see little spots. So I told them to move it just a bit closer together. They don't need to be too close because you want to be able to weave it easily. But I figured a little closer together, then you can use like your worsted weight yarn or, yarn like this and just run two strands together to still get a really nice heart effect. So this is really all I have for this one. People just kind of wanted to see it in use, and like I said, I'm not spending a lot of time on this because this isn't what's going to be in stores. This is not what you're going to be able to buy. It's going to be better. So I was able to successfully do this little heart pillow with this loom. So if I was able to do that, then we're going to be able to do just awesome stuff with the loom once it is fixed. And so I'm very excited about it. And again, everybody, remember to like and share this video, make comments, because we do want to make sure it does get picked up by a retailer. There's already some talks in the work. I can't say who, but there's a place that is interested in it. But we want to show them that this is a product that their customers will purchase. So do make sure you comment, like, and share this video. All right, and thank you everybody who did comment and share the video from last week about this loom. I will put the link to it in the description as well. So if you are a new viewer and you haven't seen that one, you can go back and watch it if you want, or if you want to share either of them or both of them, absolutely feel free to do so, and I do appreciate it. Again, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.